Of all the things you're doing right with your fitness program, I want to ask you a question. Are you feeding your muscles while you sleep? Because if you're over 50 and you're still trying to build or maintain muscle, missing this one simple protein strategy might be costing you more than you realize. Most guys over 50 still reach for that whey protein shake after training. And that's fine. That's definitely what I do. But what about casein protein? It's often overlooked. You hardly hear anybody talk about it, even though research shows it may play a powerful role in overnight recovery and preventing muscle breakdown. This video is not about what I take. This is about giving you the facts so that you can decide if this is something worth considering for your program. As we age, we lose muscle, a condition called sarcopenia. That's just a fact that we all know about. And studies show that older adults don't synthesize protein as efficiently, especially during long fasted periods like during sleep. In fact, one study published in the American Journal of Physiology found that overnight muscle protein breakdown increases with age. Think about that for a moment. While you're sleeping, thinking that that's when your body is recovering and growing, your body is actually wasting muscle. That's where a slow digesting protein source can help you. Unlike whey protein, which digests quickly and then spikes protein synthesis for say 2 to 3 hours, casein digests slowly, delivering amino acids for up to 8 hours. It's like time-release fuel while you are resting. Casein is one of the 2 proteins found in milk. The other is whey, of course. But here's the difference. Whey protein equals fast digesting. Casein protein equals slow digesting. A 2012 study in Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise showed that men who consumed 40 grams of casein before bed experienced increased overnight muscle protein synthesis compared to a placebo. So it's not just hype. Your body can actually use it to repair and build muscle while you sleep. Here's why it might matter more as you get older. First, natural testosterone declines. Second, recovery slows down. And then third, muscle breakdown increases overnight. A 2018 review in Nutrients pointed out that slower digesting proteins can significantly benefit older adults, especially when paired with regular resistance training. Now, with all of this being said, that doesn't mean that everyone needs casein. But for some men, especially those training hard or going long hours without food, it may be worth considering. Let's say, for an example, your last meal is late at night, your overall protein intake is solid, the numbers are where they need to be, and your results are on point. You may not need to change anything because the results will be minimal at best for you. But let's say you're someone who stops eating early in the evening, or let's say you're waking up sore and slow to recover, or maybe you're trying to protect muscle while cutting fat. This is where casein might fit in for you. If I'm personally training for a physique competition and I want to protect my muscle mass during the cutting phase, I will do casein at night. And I'll give you another little tip that you can use if you want to. The Oikos Pro yogurt, you've heard me talk about that on here before. And there's no sponsorship connection here at all. I'm just telling you, it's a good yogurt in my opinion. But the one with 20 grams of protein in it, the Oikos Pro, actually has casein in it. It's not 20 grams of casein, but it's probably 80-20, 80% casein and 20% whey. So a good bet is you're probably getting 15 to 16 grams of casein from that 1 cup of yogurt. So if you don't want to deal with drinking a shake before bed, just eat a cup of this yogurt before bed and give yourself at least that little advantage and that added benefit. If you do want to do the powders, but you're, say, sensitive to dairy, there are lactose-free casein powders that may be easier to digest. Here are a few reputable brands if you want to explore casein protein. There's Transparent Labs casein, which is grass-fed and has clean ingredients for the most part. There's Legion Casein Plus, and that's just naturally sweetened with a supposedly great taste. And then there's Optimum Nutrition Casein, which is an affordable option, and they're pretty much known for their stuff being very reputable and good as well. And I'm not sponsored by any of these, just sharing good information to help you and to help you make an informed decision on whether or not you want to do this. But I want to ask you, have you tried casein before bed? If not, would you consider it, or have you at least considered it? Drop a comment and let me know what's worked for you and if you have or have not done this. And if this video has helped you, give it a like and share it with another guy over 50 who's serious about results. Remember guys, muscle isn't built in the gym. It's built during recovery. And what I've just given you is another recovery approach that you may want to take.